Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins, the opening market minute for Wednesday, June 11th. Soybeans are mostly modestly lower to start the session, continuing to keep an eye on U.S. planning and development conditions. And at this stage, waiting for any full details on this recent trade deal between the United States and China. There seems to be at least some kind of framework in place, but at least on the ag side of things, a lot of questions here still. Corn is modestly higher, keeping an eye on development conditions, which could turn a little bit warmer and drier in parts of the Midwest and Plains by the time we get to later this month and early next month. For now, though, conditions generally look pretty favorable in much of the Midwest and Plains. And wheat is mixed, mostly modestly higher. The U.S. dollar index is down, and U.S. winter wheat and spring wheat crop condition ratings have improved recently, but parts of the eastern Midwest, the southern plains, and the northern U.S. plains are not out of the woods yet in terms of weather. Live and feeder cattle are down solidly. The Dow Jones Industrial Average opened a little bit lower today, and the trade's waiting for widespread direct cash cattle business to get going. Did see a little bit of light activity reported yesterday in Texas, but otherwise the major feeding areas have remained quiet. And hogs are mostly higher, a little bit encouraged by that trade deal between the United States and China, even if we don't know all the details yet. And they're waiting to see what tomorrow's weekly export sales numbers brings in terms of pork export sales. China was the leading buyer of U.S. pork last week. With the opening market minute for Wednesday, June 11th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.